Hello once again. I'm going to be attempting the 6 Nerdle puzzles, so let's see how quickly we can solve them today, in as fewer guesses as possible, obviously. So this one having a minus but not being there is potentially going to be something like something times something minus something. And this works. I don't like the duplicated 7s, but it's a start. Oh. Okay, so if we're multiplying two numbers together, we're going to get somewhere between... basically, the highest we can get to now is 49, which means that that has to be a 3. So once we subtract whatever we're subtracting, it has to be in the 30s. 6 times 6 is 36. We're not going to be able to get the 7 in there, so it kind of has to be 6 times 7, so that's 42. We take away the 6 to get 36. I feel like this has to be correct, and it is. That was very restricted right at the end, and quite a few 6s, obviously, which is not something that I would have guessed earlier, because it would have been a waste of... it wouldn't have given me some information unless it just happened to be correct. What have we got here? So the top one, a 2-digit number, if it's 2 digits minus 1 digit, it can't be an equals there to be a 3-digit result. So similar to the previous one, it's actually got to be a 2-digit minus, potentially minus x minus y to give a 1-digit, or it could be minus something times something else. Either way, the equals is going to be there. But I might focus on the bottom one to start with and try some addition. 20 something plus 30 something equals 50 something. Now let's fill in, that uses the 3 digits we knew we needed to use. I'm not going to be able to use 1, 4 and 6 of course, so let's try 1 and 4. Oh, it's not even plus. That means it has to be... oh, it has to be something like 210 divided by something. And I'm saying 210 because this is a 5, so that digit has to be a 5 or a 0. That's 42 times 5, or 105 times 2, 21 times 10. Might actually have to be that. No, that's not divisible by anything either, is it? That's 43 times 5. So maybe that has to be a 0 after all. That's 42 times 5, which means it's 6 times 7 times 5, which means that's 35 times 6. I think that has to be correct, and it is. And that's given us a bit more information up here. We've got a 0, 4. Okay, so if the minus... yeah. The lowest this can be is 20. We could take away 2 8s to give 4. That's plausible. It uses the 8 and the 4. Oh. Commutativity. I might have added in an extra syllable in that word, but you know what I mean. Almost got there in 4, but 5 is not terrible. Let's try and whiz through this one then. Oh, they've given us the first digit, and there's division, and not many things are divisible by each other. 3 plus 18 over 9 equals 5. There we go, nice and easy. Finding a 2-digit number that was divisible by one of the 1-digit numbers was quite, yeah, 1, 5, 8, 9 and 3 are quite horrible numbers to make a 2-digit number out of. But yeah, 13 seconds, that might be the fastest I've ever done that. Pleased with that. Oh, no information here at all. Let's try some addition then. 13 plus 64. I don't like the duplicated 7s, but we're up against the clock. Oh wow, so we're just using multiplication. The equals is going to be there. Oh, it could be something times a 2-digit or a 2-digit times a 1-digit. Let's just start with that. 36 times 6 equals 216. Oh, times is not even in the right place. We're really struggling here. At least we got the equals right, but I was kind of confident that that would be the case. How about 6 times something? Even 6 times 32 is going to have a 9 in it. Eight times 21 doesn't have a 3 in it. I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible, but I'm also not going to guess something that can't possibly be correct, which narrows it down a heck of a lot by the looks of it. 2 times 61 equals 122. That could be correct. Okay, we're making progress. It's going to be, if it's 132, that's divisible by 6, so 6 times 22, I think that has to be correct, yeah. Oh, that's the slowest. I've done that for ages. I don't think I was that slow, but I had quite a lot of penalty time, and obviously I was fairly slow, but I don't think I was quite that slow. Yeah. That was a difficult one. Lots of 2s, I think. That's what threw me. I didn't want to use the 2 so many times. What should we try? 9 times 7. Let's go for something completely different to what we normally do. Okay, should have stuck with lower numbers. 9 plus 4, or 9 plus 2, it could even be 9 plus 1. Well, we'll know after this. Yeah, 9 plus 1. Oh, it could be 9 plus 9! Oh no, in fact it has to be 9 plus 9. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does, because that can't be another 1, because we had a black one. Very good. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Oh, made a mess of that. Getting the 9 to start with really didn't help as much as it perhaps could have done. Okay, let's go back to the 12 over 4, why not? Oh, okay. 18 over 2 equals 9. It could be, I mean, it could be a few other things. Oh. Okay. Also the bottom one. 8 plus 5 perhaps? Because it's going to be 13, I think, is the answer. 5 plus 8. I got a lot of 50-50s wrong today, I think. Felt like that was a very unlucky set in many ways, but we did complete the set, and comfortably under 10 minutes as well. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, I guess, leave a comment, and yeah, goodbye for today.